Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because we're getting a glimpse into the future of luxury sedans. That's right, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Lexus ES. Lexus has been teasing this car for a while now, and rumor has it, it's going to be a game changer. So, buckle up, grab your metaphorical cup of joe, and let's see what the future holds for Lexus. Exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. Lexus has ditched the slightly conservative look for something a lot more daring. The new S boasts a sharper, more chiseled body. The headlights are sleeker and more angular, giving the car a more aggressive stance. The signature Lexus grille is larger and more prominent, making a bold statement. But it's not all about aggression. The designers have managed to retain that elegant Lexus flow, with smooth lines that accentuate the car's length and create a sense of movement even when it's parked. Interior. Now, let's step inside the sanctuary that is the 2025 Lexus ES interior. Lexus is renowned for its luxurious cabins, and this one takes it to a whole new level. Imagine yourself surrounded by the finest materials, from supple leather seats to soft-touch accents throughout. Every detail screams craftsmanship and quality. Technology is seamlessly integrated without sacrificing comfort. We're expecting a larger touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster right behind the steering wheel, and a heads-up display that keeps your eyes on the road. The focus here is on creating a driver-centric experience, with everything you need readily available at your fingertips. But don't forget about the passengers. The spacious interior ensures everyone gets to travel in first-class comfort. The 2025 ES is expected to be a pioneer when it comes to powertrain options. Lexus is committed to a greener future, and the ES reflects that commitment. The hybrid option is likely to be a new generation of Toyota's proven system, offering even more power and efficiency. But the real head-turner is the possibility of a fully electric version. This would be a major step forward for Lexus, and it's sure to excite eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on luxury. The 2025 Lexus ES is shaping up to be a remarkable car. It's a perfect blend of aggressive design, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you choose the powerful hybrid option or the pioneering electric version, the ES promises an unforgettable driving experience. Of course, the official reveal is still a ways off, but with all this speculation swirling around, it's safe to say the wait will be worth it. So, stay tuned for further updates, and let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the 2025 Lexus ES.